Welcome you all to this video. In this video, we have to know about how to install and configure ModSecurity in WebHost Manager. Introduction. ModSecurity, also known as ModSecurity, is a web application firewall (WAF) module for Apache, Lightspeed, and Nginx. It helps protect web applications from common attacks such as structured query language injection, XSS, brute force attempts, and malicious bots. In a cPanel WebHost Manager environment, ModSecurity adds an extra layer of security to hosted websites. Prerequisites. Before proceeding, ensure you have root access to WebHost Manager. cPanel WebHost Manager is properly installed. Apache is installed and running. The server is updated. Yum update or DNF update recommended. Implementation. Step 1. Log in to WebHost Manager. Steps 2. Enable ModSecurity. 1. In WebHost Manager, go to Home, Security Center, ModSecurity Vendors. 2. If ModSecurity is not enabled, go to Home, Security Center, ModSecurity Configuration. Click Enable ModSecurity. Step 3. Install ModSecurity rule set. ModSecurity without rules will not protect your server effectively. Go to Home, Security Center, ModSecurity Vendors. You will see available vendors such as OWASP, Komodo, Atomic, if configured. Click Install next to a vendor rule set. The most commonly used rule set is from OWASP. OWASP Core Rule Set, free and widely trusted. Step 4. Confirm installation. To verify, go to Home, Security Center, ModSecurity Tools. Check Rule Sets Installed, Status Enabled. You can also verify via SSH, $ApacheCTL-M grep security. Expected output, Security 2 module, shared. Conclusion. Installing ModSecurity in WebHost Manager significantly strengthens server security by protecting hosted websites from common web attacks. Always install a trusted rule set, such as OWASP, and monitor logs regularly to avoid false positives. Proper configuration ensures maximum protection without impacting legitimate traffic. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.